Roxanne, and I'm back today with a new video sharing another unboxing of a brand new sewing machine. As some of you know, I recently did an unboxing of the Singer C430 professional sewing machine, and ever since I did that video, I've been getting message after message asking me if I would consider reviewing this machine or that machine. Well, since I purchase all of my own machines, and that's how I'm able to give you my honest opinion of what I think of these machines, I'm not able to have an unlimited money supply and purchase all the machines I'd really like to review for all of you. But there was a machine that I had never heard of before, and I did a little research, and it's put out by Mood Fabrics. Like I said, I never heard of this machine before or even saw it. And then after I received this message, it happened to pop up as a sale on my Instagram feed. So I took that as the universe trying to tell me that I need to do a review on this machine. So I might have casually mentioned this machine to my husband, and then yesterday it magically appeared on my doorstep. So I'm excited to see this machine because I haven't seen it yet in person, and I'm excited to show you all the things that it comes with. So let's get it unboxed and into it. So here we go. Oh, look at that. We have a nice written manual right in the front. I wasn't sure if this was going to come with a written manual since my last machine, the Singer's C430, didn't come with one. So I'm really glad about that because I like to make notes in my manual. Okay, looks like there's a soft cover. Looks to be packaged very nicely to protect it. And there it is. Wow, it came packaged very nicely. It's a small portable machine. Right here in the harp space, I have my power cord and foot control packaged inside polystyrene. I also have a test strip underneath my presser foot, which is very nice because that means that somebody took the time to test the stitches on this machine. Pull that out of there so I can see the test stitches. Wow, it looks like it does beautiful decorative stitches. Look at that buttonhole. Wow, this one might be a contender for my favorite buttonholer. That buttonhole looks done very well. It's a keyhole buttonhole. And look at the wide zigzag. So many times I get complaints from people wanting to do wide zigzag and that it ends up tunneling. And there's no tunneling at all. These are very nice stitches. It has a carry handle. And this machine has all kinds of features. So now I'm going to plug it in and turn it on and see what it sounds like. I've gone ahead and plugged it in, and I plugged in the foot control. Here's what the foot control looks like. And now I'm going to power it up for the first time. Wow, it's very quiet on startup. It just has a little action right here at the needle. Right now it has the general purpose foot installed, and it looks like there is one filled bobbin in the machine. Now let's take a look at all the accessories that it comes with. They're located right here in the storage compartment of the machine. Comes with a baggie full. They all look to be pretty standard. This looks like an overcasting foot. This one is called presser foot A, and this is probably the foot that I'll use with decorative stitching since it has that depression in the bottom. and it's clear plastic. This is presser foot F, and this is a blind hem foot. This foot can also be used for stitch in the ditch. It can also be used as an edge stitching foot for top stitching, so that's a great foot. An auxiliary spool pin. Looks like several bobbins, 3 bobbins. I'm not sure which size bobbins these are, although they do look like class 15 because they look very flat. I'll have to investigate that. Comes with a spool cap. It comes with a buttonhole foot, a pair of screwdrivers, some organ needles. These are great needles. A brush, seam ripper combo. This foot is to sew on buttons. That's a great foot to have. And this is foot I, which is a zipper foot. This is a dual-ended zipper foot. It can be inserted or pressed on either side to sew on either side of your zipper. Comes with a quilting bar. And this looks like a small spool cap. So it comes with a nice amount of accessories. Now I'm going to show you under the top cover of the machine all the great stitches that it does. All the stitches are illustrated in the top cover, and they're all numbered for easy access. It has a print and a script font, and it has a lot of nice decorative stitches. It has some of our favorites, like number 71 is the serpentine stitch. It looks like they have 3 other serpentine stitches as well. So my quilting friends in our group are probably going to love this. It has lots of different applique stitches, a blanket stitch, and it looks like it even has that star stitch that I used on my applique that I taught a couple of videos back. It has a spool pin. It has a place for the auxiliary spool pin. Here's the bobbin winder, and it's in the middle of underneath the top cover, so it's very easy to access. It has a tension dial. And then this machine has something that my Singer 9960 and Singer C430 do not have, and it is adjustable presser foot pressure. And that's a question I get a lot about those 2 machines, is does it have adjustable presser foot pressure? But those 2 machines don't have that feature. So this is exciting to have that feature. So now this is the needle up, needle down button. This looks like a lock stitching button, and this is the back stitch button. The LCD screen shows that right now we're in the center needle position, and it has foot T installed in the machine, or they're telling you to install foot T into the machine. This button here is a stitch length, and this is a stitch width. This machine also has some memory capabilities, so I'm excited to be exploring that. Looks like this button is to access some of the decorative stitches and the fonts. And then over here you have a variety of utility stitches that are one touch. Center needle, left needle. Looks like a stretch stitch, the lightning bolt stitch, zigzag, and a few others, including the buttonhole stitch. So it has a variety of stitches and capabilities, and I'm really excited to start test driving this machine so that I can do a review and share all the details with you. So thank you for stopping by today and watching my latest sewing machine unboxing video featuring the Lia Mood Fabric Sewing Machine. I'm very excited to start putting this machine through its paces and trying out all the great features and all the accessories that this machine came with. I'll be coming back to you with a video review of all my thoughts on this machine, showing all kinds of different samples that I've made, just like I did with the Singer C430. So as always, have a happy creative day. Bye now.